Okay, I know last night was a lot of information, and so I want to review the field experience hours. So you will need a total of 30 hours. You will have 20 of those hours in professional development or engagement in early childhood, field, industry, career, whichever word you choose to use. The other 10 hours of the 30 hours will be building your portfolio. So total of 10 hours or a total of 30 hours minus your 10 hours of building your portfolio on the 20 hours that you do for your field experience. Okay. So this is a great little image of how the different areas that we have identified affect a child. Okay. So here are the 4 areas that you will need to fulfill: family, program educator or community, state, national, international. So you will need 5 hours in each of these areas. If you have 6, fantastic. If you have less than 5, not good. Okay, so you will need 5 hours. Okay, if for some reason you cannot find a 1 hour training or a 3 hour and a 2 hour training, just get 3 of the 2 hour trainings or however you need to equate that and utilize more is better. Okay, I did bring you some links in the document that I sent you this morning, but just as a review, all you do is you click on those and you're able to either get professional development or some sort of a training out of it. I will say that tours are easy. However, there are some virtual tours that you can do online that will work as well. All right. Anytime that you go to a some type of a field practicum or a field experience, you will want to get that artifact. So a brochure from the program that you went and saw, or a training certificate, anything that proves that you were there. Okay. Selfies are not proof. Okay. Although funny, not an appropriate artifact to place in there. Okay. So you have tons of national and international. When you are done, you are going to list the ways you engaged. So it'll be 2 hour training at NACI, or I did the day at the Capitol as a way to advocate for my state. However you're going to document that, you will want to put the hours or the way you engaged here and the hours here. Overall, what you did or what you learned, and then how you're going to use that information in your career. You are going to do that for each of the 5 hours in each area. So 5 hours in family, 5 hours in program, 5 hours in state, and 5 hours in national, international. Then you are done with this document. Just this document. Okay? I will go to the next video and show you where to store said document.